In this video, I want to compare 3 highly rated grease guns. Over on the left, we got the Milwaukee battery-powered grease gun. In the middle is the U-Tool grease gun, and this one's made by a company called Bravex, or Bravex, B-R-A-V-E-X. So starting with the Bravex, this one is 6,000 PSI. It's got an 18-inch hose. To me, if I'm using a manual grease gun, I love the pistol grip style because it allows you to use one hand to pump the grease. With the other hand, you can help hold the hose on. I'm also looking for a decent length hose, and this one's an 18-inch hose on this one. The U-Tool, the yellow one, it's 8,000 PSI, also has an 18-inch hose, also has that pistol grip style, which is great. I've used both of these, grease and lawn equipment, things like that. Can recommend these. Now, if you're wanting to go to the next level, this one's got some even added features. This is the Milwaukee battery-powered grease gun. This one runs off the 18-volt batteries, the M18 batteries. I bought the tool only, so you need to make sure the one you get, see if it comes with just the tool, which is what I got. But I've already got several of the M18 batteries. But the cool things about this one, a 48-inch hose. So I mean, very extra long hose. Also has a place right here where you can store the hose when it's not in use. It just pops in right there. You can bulk load grease or use cartridges. I typically use the cartridges. All right, you see here it's got a dial here, a 1 and a 2. 1 is going to be low speed, high pressure. 2 is going to be high speed, low pressure. So just understand that. And this other dial, if you put it on, it's just going to continually pump grease as you hold down the trigger. Or you can set it on a dial anywhere from 1 to 50, it goes 1 through 10, and then it starts going by 5s. Okay, so let's just say I put it on 10. Now, when I hold the trigger down, it's going to pump 10 times, and then it's going to stop. And then when you release the trigger, it's going to do 10 more times when you press it down again. So if you know, hey, I just want 4 in each fitting, then you can put it on 4, hold the trigger down, it'll pump 4 times, then it'll stop. So that's pretty cool, but again, you can just put it on, and it's just gonna pump until you let go of the trigger. 3 highly rated grease guns. Hope this video has been helpful in explaining the difference.